don't know if y'all just saw them lights flash. I'm a big believer in signs, so now I'm just getting a little creeped out. Welcome to my channel. My name is Amber Marion. If you're new here, then welcome. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Before we get into today's video, as always, please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as turning those little post notifications on. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram so we could keep up with one another. And I'm super excited about today's video. I wasn't expecting to get a lot of questions or even comments about this bag when I uploaded the unboxing. So I'm super excited. You guys seem to love the unboxing and you guys also seem to love this bag. So I can't wait to just answer all your questions and show you guys how well the bag has held up, pros, cons, things like that. So let's get right into it. A couple of months ago here on my channel, I unboxed the Marc Jacobs Traveler Tote, and you guys seem to really love that video. I've gotten a ton of comments with questions about the bag and just overall comments on that video. I also get a lot of comments on a lot of my unboxings to do wear and tear videos, bag updates, how well the bag has been holding up, do I think it's worth it, and things of that nature. So I thought, what better first bag to do this on than literally probably one of my most commented on unboxings. And like I said, that is the Marc Jacobs Traveler Tote. I've tried to keep the bag super intact as far as like, I use this bag every day as basically a work bag, so I do get a lot of use out of it. I screenshotted the most asked questions, I guess you can say, on the Marc Jacobs unboxing video. I will leave a link up here to that unboxing. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. The number one question that people asked was actually whether or not the bag color transfers or if your clothing colors transfer onto the bag. I will say I haven't had that problem. But I will also say that I don't wear this bag as a handbag or as like a school bag. So I never really wear it with jeans, but I do wear it. Oh, I do wear it with denim. And I haven't seen any color transfer from the bag to the clothes, nor the clothes to the bag. So that was a question that quite a few people asked. I definitely have not seen that. Speaking on this bag in particular, I've had no color transfer. A comment that I got, and I believe more than one person either asked it or said it, was whether or not the bag picks up lint and pills. If you don't know what pills are, they're like the little balls that come, they're like the little things that come underneath like sweaters or just different materials. Just, it's kind of like the top material like creates a little thing. It does pick up a lot of lint. I don't know if that's because of the material it is. But one thing that I will say with the pilling and the lint, it's definitely tolerable. For $175, I think this bag was worth every single penny. I mentioned in my unboxing that if you were looking for kind of like a trendy school bag or a trendy work bag, even a trendy gym bag, the Traveler's Tote is perfect. It does come in 3 sizes. Another comment that I got was actually about the patches, and it was from a viewer who had the Traveler's Tote and was kind of just a little iffy about the patches. And I do believe I said this in my unboxing when I showed how to apply the patches. I kind of thought that they were gonna fall off. I didn't to be 100% honest, I really didn't think that they were going to hold up the way they have. I will probably add some close-up shots of what I'm talking about as far as like the lint on the bag, because I feel like in this camera's view, it's just not giving it any justice. Well, it's not showing you exactly what I'm talking about. So I wanted to show what I was talking about. This bag definitely does get little pills. They can be pulled off. They also sell a brush that takes pilling off. It definitely attracts a lot of hair. Like I said, there's some pilling up there, but the patch has held up so well. You can see there's more pilling on this side. I think because I actually, when I do wear this bag every day, this is the side that touches my body the most. So I think that's where this comes from. Like I said, it's a super easy fix. I know that was one of the biggest questions in the comments. Does that happen on this bag? You can get a brush at Walgreens, probably Target, that will take these off. You can take them off with your hands. I did mention that there is a little bit of the pilling also on the patches, but I'm just amazed that, especially the A and the B being on the handle, I thought they would have came off a little bit, but they are on there. You can definitely tell there is no color transfer on the bag. Like I said, I don't know if that's something that happens. It hasn't yet happened with my bag. So even the top by the zipper has a little bit of pilling. That's probably the only con of the bag for me. It fits a ton in here. I love that there's pockets on the side that are super big, and there's also a zipper pocket. I love that. You can tell it holds a lot of stuff, and like I said, I put my actual purse in here every day when I use it. I don't know if I have any cons about this bag. For the price, it is exceptional, and I highly recommend it if you need, like I said, a school bag, a gym bag, a work bag, an everyday bag. If you are just somebody that wants to carry a big bag every day, this is definitely the bag for you. I know since I made the unboxing video, Marc Jacobs has come out with the Traveler's Tote in leather, and I believe some other different patterns and materials. So there's definitely a lot to choose from. But as far as the canvas bag goes, I definitely would have to say this was worth every single penny. I said it earlier in the video, but worth every single penny. The bag itself has held up amazing. I don't have any cons to say about the bag besides like the lint issue. But I also was going to mention that when I use this work bag, I am helping my mother out at her she owns a dog grooming business. So this bag is around a lot of dog hair. So I definitely can't say that one of the cons is the lint, because I feel like this bag should look super crazy after some of the days it has seen. One of the pros for me is definitely the zippered top. I love that, the detachable strap. This is super durable. I mean, there's days I put my laptop in here, I put my vlogging camera in here, and every time I use this bag, I put my actual purse, whether it be my Alma BB or my Multi Pochette. I put it in here. I put everything in here. So overall, this bag has held up. It's been about 3 months. I think the unboxing went live on my channel sometime in February, but I did purchase this bag in late December and start using it. For the few months that I've been using it, and like I said, what I use it for, how reckless I am with it, it has held up phenomenally. I'm also super amazed at how well the patches held up. I shouldn't have even been skeptical, knowing that Marc Jacobs never plays when it comes to things. I've said this before on my channel in more than just one video. Marc Jacobs is absolutely one of my favorite designers. Him as a solo designer, the work he did for Louis Vuitton, like I just feel like he kills it every single time. So I don't even know why I was skeptical about the quality of the patches. As you can see, there's also been no discoloration on the front of the bag. I do believe somebody asked me that on Instagram, and there has been no discoloration on the front of the bag. I've definitely worn this bag in the rain, I'm sure. I mean, literally, like it definitely collects a lot of lint and dog hair. It's not necessarily a con for me, although it can be a con for some other people, I'm sure. The patches, what made me so skeptical was that they were not iron-on. They were just stick-on patches. So I thought for sure, especially these three on the back, my initials, I thought after a while of doing this and just being full, I thought for sure they were going to start to peel, and they absolutely haven't. This bag has truly become one of my absolute favorite bags. It may not be the most expensive bag in my collection, but it definitely is one of the bags that I get the most use out of because, like I said, I use it as a work bag. I definitely could use it as a road trip bag, like just anything you need. I'm sure you could probably even use it for like a kid's snack bag, a little diaper bag, I mean, a little overnight bag, whatever you need it for, it's there and it gives what it's supposed to have given. And I'm really pleased. I know I say this all the time. I have to stop saying this. But I'm super pleased with my purchase. I'm definitely super pleased with how well the bag held up, as well as the patches. Since I purchased the patches on marcjacobs.com, he's actually come out with some other style patches, some other cool patches. So that's definitely something worth checking out. Once again, if you didn't see my unboxing and first impression of this bag, I will leave the link somewhere here. Definitely check it out. If you're thinking about buying this bag, I will definitely say you're gonna get your money's worth. Super durable, super stylish. I love that you can add personalization with the patches. To be completely honest, when I filmed and then uploaded the unboxing for this video, I really didn't think it was gonna do as well as it's done. I didn't know that many people were going to be interested in this bag in particular, and I should have known because it definitely is one of the most affordable, stylish bags of the year. I was really surprised at how many questions were in the comments of this unboxing, and I hope I did a great job at answering every question. I will say, as a girl that loves labels and loves bags, one thing I love about Marc Jacobs is you can kind of always count on him for affordable luxury. The handles have held up really nicely. I do use the crossbody strap most often, but even when I do use the crossbody strap, I still kind of hold on to the handles just to kind of take the weight off of my shoulders. My shoulder, rather. The bottom of the bag, as you can see, has held up great. The overall, just basically the entire bag, I think it was definitely this durable, strong canvas material. I did mention that in the unboxing that it is a super, super strong canvas. I will be honest here and say that I normally wouldn't think a $175 bag would hold up this well, just because, I mean, I just don't think the quality would be there, but this has exceeded all my expectations. And one thing that I love about Marc Jacobs, and I say it all the time, is it's really high end, it's really luxury, but it's also affordable, and he makes things for the average person, and I love that about Marc Jacobs. I'm a huge Marc Jacobs fan. I'm sure I've said it in a couple of videos. I've probably said it in this video already. When I went to FIT fashion school in New York City, I actually got to meet him. He did like a lecture, and he's just a really super cool designer. So I feel like all of his pieces really do have great quality to them, from the accessories to the sunglasses to the ready to wear. I mean, literally, Marc does not miss. He hits the mark every time. Every time I stare at a bag, you guys should know I've run out of things to say about this bag. Hopefully I've answered all your questions about this bag and kind of given you a little bit of an overview of how well the bag has held up after 4 or 5 months of use. I definitely feel like my purchase was worth it, to say the least. I love that my personalizations are still there. I just love it. I really didn't have high hopes for the patches. I don't know why, but I just didn't think the patches were going to stay. So if you need a bag, if you need a tote bag, I mean, now that it's pool and beach season, ladies, perfect, trendy, durable. You don't have to worry about anything damaging it. You don't, like, perfect pool bag. I actually think I might want the nude one now for a little summertime pool bag. Definitely, if you are looking for a tote bag, I would highly consider the Marc Jacobs Traveler's Tote bag. I give it an 8 out of a 10. No, I give it a 9 out of a 10. The only reason I'm giving it a 9 is because it does attract, well, oh, I shouldn't be pulling that off because I still have to shoot the close-up shots. Only reason I give it a 9 out of a 10 is definitely because it does attract hair and lint. But like I mentioned earlier in the video, nothing too crazy that you can't deal with. So it's not an ender for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this bag update video. I know you guys comment on a lot of my bag videos to do an update. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see what specific bags you'd like to see me do kind of a wear and tear update video on, and I would love to make that happen for you guys. If you did like this video, please make sure you're hitting that thumbs up as well as subscribing to my channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.